Welcome to a BEA Tech Time video. I'm Jake with BEA Tech Services, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot an EDPS error on your MicroScan. EDPS stands for Electronic Door Positioning System. What causes it? During a learn, when your door does not open at the right time, if it opens more than 110 degrees, or if it does not move past 80. Those are three different ways that you'll get an EDPS error on your MicroScan. It does not signify a bad sensor. Most of the time, it's from the door. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. The first thing that I want you to troubleshoot is your home switch. When your door is closed, there's going to be an orange LED lit under the home section on your hub. When your door goes open, within 2 inches of your door opening, that switch should break, the door position switch, and that orange LED will turn off. It'll turn right back on as soon as the door comes closed. If that's all checking out and you want to check into it further, in the third menu of the hub, we're going to look for display door, and I'll show you exactly what it should look like. Begin by clicking your gray knob. Rotate to more and click it. Rotate to more again, click it. The third box should be highlighted. Now when you click on display door, it tells you your door state, it's closed. When you open your door and activate it, it should say opening, opened, it should go to closing, and then closed. If it says anything other than that, such as manual or not closed, check into your home switch. That is a clear signifier that the door position switch is not working correctly, whether you're using a physical magnet or your door system. The second thing I want you to check after the home switch, make sure your door is in auto and not turned off. If you keep it in the off position, your door's not going to move. So I have the door control harness unplugged, which is symbolizing that the door is in the off position. If I try to put this through a learn, the door will go through the entire clear area, 15 down to 0, but it's not going to move, and it should signify an EDPS error. Notice it says NB2. NB2 simply means that two sensors are giving an EDPS error. To fix this, put your door in the auto position or on. In our case, we're going to plug back in the door control harness and put it through a new learn. As an extension to troubleshooting your home switch, if the orange light stays on during the entire learn cycle like you're about to see, that will cause the error, in which case still troubleshoot your home switch and see why it's not breaking whenever the door goes open within 2 inches. Two more things that I'd have you check. Number one, make sure that your door goes to full open within 9 seconds at 80 to 110 degrees, no less than 80, no more than 110. If you've done everything that we've said before, the last thing you need to check is if the door itself is working. Unplug the MicroScan hub. Make sure the door is working with no sensor system in there. If it's not, you know it's a door issue. If it does work, then go back to the MicroScan for troubleshooting. If all of these steps that you've done check out, everything is good to go and it's still not working, find the sensor with 6 orange blinks on it. That's the sensor that's causing your issue, or the harness connected to it. Make sure you call us at tech support to determine which part is actually faulty. Other than that, that's how you troubleshoot an EDPS error. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you check out our playlist for any other troubleshooting advice you need. I'm Jake with BEA Tech Services, and I hope you have a great day.